Son.
Why you dumped the camera in the fucking oil?
How about you shut up?
Yo quiero par de millones. Chillin'.
What is it? I'm just
Yeah, what's good, everybody? Alright, so before I start this video, I want to go ahead and I got something in the mail for the first time. You know what it is? And I know you know what it is.
That's slick as shit. I'm not gonna let you. It's like
he's always like on my Instagram whenever I post something, he's always like one of the first people to like it. He always drops a comment down below and everything. So yo, shout out to you. I'm gonna open this right now and I'm gonna let you guys see it. Oh, and he sent 2 of them. Yo, PNW.
Oh,
PNW DSM. I told you, look, PNW DSM. Shout out to him. He sent me 2 decals, 2 stickers right here. I'm gonna put them on the car.
obviously.
I'm gonna put them like, we should go do one right now, honestly. We are gonna get some oil and we're probably gonna get a filter too, because I mean, when you do an oil change, you gotta change the filter, you know what I mean? If you don't change the filter, then what are you doing? This shit feels huge, doesn't it? It does, bro. It feels big as hell. Have you ever been in this? You never been? This shit feels like a school bus, my nigga. This shit big as hell. We're hitting up Walmart, and then after Walmart, we're gonna come back and hit AutoZone and get ready with that oil change. It's already getting dark. That's why I hate getting out of work, bro. So freaking late. I'll see you guys in the store or back home, either or. Yeah. Alright, bees. We got all of our stuff. Got the oil. We got my boy Fidi over here with us. We want to go pick him up. You know what I'm saying? We got the car ready. We're gonna get some light. We're gonna get all this shit off ready so we can change oil. Fidi over here stacking on food. Fucking Taco Bell. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
My house.
And then we got Woodley over here, you know, stacking on food too. You know what I'm saying? All right. The only thing I'm doing right now is getting the car on the lift. I mean, not the lift. The jack stands. You want to make sure that you always use jack stands when you do this. Because it's the safest thing to do. Don't use the jack to keep it up. Let me just keep finishing up and then show you how to change the oil. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what you guys need for an oil change. You need an oil pan to drain the oil. You need fresh new oil. You know, get that Mobil 1 because
Recommended.
You know, it's the best oil out there, right?
NASCAR uses this stuff.
Yeah, so you know
trusted.
you want to go with that.
You want to go, keep turning left. You do you.
And the oil filter. Want to get a fresh new oil filter. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so first thing you want to do is come to the top of the engine and you want to take the oil cap off so that when you drain the oil from underneath, where I will show you where to drain it, the oil can flow out easier, you know what I'm saying? Right here.
That shit's all the way back here.
Yeah, it's all the way back here, boy.
Well, your downpipe will be easy as hell to take off.
Right here. Hold on.
Casey legal.
Right here is the cat. Actually, no, that's the cat. I'm kidding. That's the cat. This is a resonator. Right next to the resonator, you have the oil filter. And right next to the oil filter, you got the oil.
Well, you out of breath.
The oil pan. I know I am.
You're gaining weight.
Boy.
You're getting fat.
Don't be, yo. Shut up. Nobody knows.
Look, he has a sparkly blue on this.
Yeah, I got a sparkly blue one right here. That was the baller one, you know what I'm saying? Now I went with the cheap one now, you know what I'm saying?
Talk about being baller, you pull the crash, but you can't plug the fucking oil filter.
Shut up, boy. This is, I believe, is a 17mm. And you just take this off. But first, before you take this off,
Just like my fetus.
before you take this off, make sure that you have the oil pan ready so that when you take it off, it could drip into the oil pan and not, you know, your floor like this. Gay ass. We're gonna grab this right here, put it right here, and now we're gonna go and loosen it. Oh, well, you got it?
You fucking.
Are you sure you put it on loosen or tighten, nigga?
No, it's this way, loosen. It's tight because you know I tighten that bitch up real. You know.
You fucking weird.
I ain't trying to break that. You go ahead, bro. Give me the camera. I ain't trying to break that shit. It's your car.
Alright, so we got it loose a little bit. Let me bring it when it starts dripping. Put it this way, long way. Because when it goes out, it just like, it'll drip and then it'll just shoot. And you want to make sure you catch the nut as a bolt.
Always catch the nut.
Damn, look at that chocolate.
That shit's red, boy.
Is it red?
That shit's red over here. Unless I'm high as fuck.
Nah, it's just, it's like light brown because it has the old oil and the new oil in there.
Light brown, nigga, that's blood red.
Look at.
Nigga, I can't see your black ass.
Yo, ass up, nigga.
Please comment down below if you see red and I'm not tripping.
Well, that's supposed to mean, Casey.
What? Hold on, let me clean my hands.
Your car is red, this is red, your oil filter's red.
Do I have
No.
I have a napkin over there, right?
Man, Casey hit him with the low key. So what?
I'm not trying to get.
Man, Casey said, Treyway.
I'm not trying to get banned from YouTube here. Come on now. What is it?
Man, Casey said 5 talking, 6 walking.
I don't even know what that means, to be honest with you.
You leave it in the video then.
You pretty much said, actually, yeah, leave it in the video.
What? Come on, so y'all not even gonna tell me?
Nah, man, just know if some Crips show up to your house after seeing this video. That's
Hey,
your
nobody
ass.
knows where I live. Fuck y'all.
Alright, bro. Check that IP.
Hey. Yo, you know you got me out sideways, right?
Nigga, you looking on the camera, no homo. Bro, take this camera. My left hand is hurting, bro.
Oh my lord, you a weak
on,
son.
Why you dropped the camera in the fucking oil?
How about you shut up? Alright, it's almost done dripping.
Oh, we better respect the crippin'.
Yo, I swear these niggas is wild. It's kind of the hard part right here. The oil filter.
Nigga, no, my oil filter is the hard part, boy.
My cord oil filter was the most retarded thing. Oil pan, bro.
My oil pan not broke, boy.
You're
That's how you
okay,
make your
bro.
oil, though.
It's not the oil pan.
Looks like somebody legit punched this shit in, boy.
It's called being low. Something you don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
I have a nice
I'm
one.
sorry. I turned it.
That's cute.
There you go. Oh, no.
Nah, it ain't going nowhere, boy. Not like that. What you mean, ow?
You saying ow, cause that shit red, nigga.
Oh, look at the red. So what?
Bro, I think I got everything red.
Hey, what you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that, you know, red is my favorite color.
Casey said he the big blood out here.
I'm wearing black,
That don't matter, son.
and I got blue underwear on right now. Look. That shit blue.
He said he
son.
wearing blue underwear because all y'all Crips be on his dick.
Alright, enough of these gang shits because
Yeah.
if I start getting young, I'm pretty sure I got
stop.
some viewers in New York.
Let
so.
me stop. Hey, nigga, I got people in New York too.
I said viewers.
Oh, all right.
Not people. I mean, I got people up there, family, but you know what I'm saying.
Man, you have to edit some of this out. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't want nobody coming to get you.
Ain't nobody gonna come to get me.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll drop the Eddie right now.
All these niggas is soft.
Oh!
Oh, wait, who you talking about?
I'm talking about people in general. They can't handle this.
Oh, all right.
Even
You know
y'all.
I dropped the Eddie.
Even one lady.
Up there, son.
There you go.
Hey, we're focused.
Are we really though?
Yeah.
No, we're Fiesta. For those car guys that get it. Or know what car that is, you know what I'm saying?
Go on me, huh?
Willie, this is where you come in.
Oh, coño.
This is where you come
Coño.
in. I need the big boy guns, you heard?
I'm gonna lift you, my guy.
Well, when's the last time you lifted, son?
Oof. I lifted Casey the other day.
Like, actually lifted.
Oh, my man. I don't know. I'm not feeling this rag, though. My voice cracked. That's crazy.
Loosen it up a little
Casey,
bit.
where's the thing?
It's in the thing.
What does that even mean?
Don't worry about it.
There's a tool for this, man.
Fuck.
The thing is in the thing, though.
The thing is in the thing, boy. La vaina está en la vaina, en la vaina de atrás.
La vaina de la vaina.
La vaina de la vaina.
En la caja.
En la caja.
In the box. Ah!
Nigga.
Can't see.
Oh, you can't see, my bad.
The worst oil change ever.
Nah, this shit ain't moving, though.
Dude, where is it?
In the shed.
Hurry up.
Go. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh, it's spinning.
Hey.
Oh, okay. I gotta bring this over here.
Nah, leave it over there, pussy.
No, you bitch.
You can literally twist that off with your hand. You can literally
Stop
twist that
being
off with your hand.
Y'all some pussies.
You know what? His address is 1-3.
Hey, yo. And I'm gonna put yours right next.
Alright, nigga, pull it over.
Pull up. I'm gonna bring the airsoft.
Hell yeah, bitch. I'll bring the switchblade too. Oh! She came.
Nigga say she can't.
Oh, that looks don't touch me.
Don't touch me either, nigga.
What do you mean?
I'll put this camera right in there, boy.
Boy, I'll run and get your camera.
My camera at home, pussy.
Oh, boy, you better run the
You
track.
probably lying.
I am lying. I ain't gonna hold you.
Shout out to the Lakers
to
for
the
being
next
trash.
Oof.
Tell me if I'm wrong, though.
They ain't trash. They're trash without LeBron, but
Every team is trash without LeBron. You really trying to break my shit, boy? You heard how he just dropped?
yeah.
Here's I don't want to
You know what I'm saying? We going with the blood gang, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
now he's going
it. Pull up.
I was reaching for the box. Why would I want to touch you?
Ooh.
You touch me.
You're not my type. Woodley's my
She
type.
said,
Dip my finger in here real quick.
we'll do it slow for him. So.
Alright, see? I got oil. We're gonna take the filter,
No, I'm saying.
lube it up, make sure it's sitting right.
In case he's struggling to loop shit up.
Did the O-ring come off in this? Yes, it did. See, I had that problem before. When you go to change the oil filter,
No way.
always try to make sure that the other O-ring on here is off. Because, you see this? If you leave that on there and then you put this one on there, you're gonna be leaking hella oil. And then when you turn on the car, it's gonna leak everywhere. 5 quarts? Oh, yeah, it takes 5 quarts. Make sure you always use a funnel because you don't want to get, mine look gunky right now, but you know what I'm saying? Go the safe route. You got a newer car, but your shit is actually nice. Go with the funnel. Maybe a bigger one.